Hi. So this video, is regarding the latest episode which is happening about the recall of Chief Secretary of Bengal from Bengal to Delhi on a super urgent basis, as we all have seen. I'm just forgetting the name. I think Mr. Arpan Bandyopadhyay. And what's my intake is that. So very frankly, definitely this episode is not healthy for the democracy. I think it's not healthy from both ways. I think since the BJP have lost the Bengal elections, the acrimony is not finishing between the two personalities, which is Mr. Modi and the entire BJP in Bengal. They of course plan to go to Bengal for the review meeting. The presence of the leader of opposition, Mr. Shubhendu Adhikari, in that meeting is definitely not acceptable for anybody else who's sitting on the other side of the table. So that's a big disrespect for her, or basically demeaning Mamta. There's no doubt about that. So she has all the rights to be pissed off. But now her mistake is she did a reaction which she is famous for, which has again pissed off Mr. Modi and the central government, that she left the meeting very early, or whatever actually happened was she made Mr. Modi to wait, or she left the meeting early without the proper conclusion. But she has her own reasons, as I just said. So to start with, calling of Mr. Adhikari was wrong. If I talk about this episode, then immaturity from the Mamta Banerjee part, that she could have managed or sat in that meeting for half an hour. These kind of meetings are not going to happen anyway every day, maybe once in 2 months or quarter or 6 months. That's again immaturity from her part. After she did that, the decision by the central government to bring the chief secretary or to call him back to central, and he's doing a very good job, is again an immature decision. So this entire episode is one immature decision after another. And once he has been recalled, the decision of Mamta Banerjee to not allow him to go is again a immature decision. So the problem is, it's such an ego clash which is happening on a day-to-day basis, and the real sufferer would be the Bengal population. So I really don't know who is right, who is wrong. From the BJP perspective, they were desperately wanted to win the Bengal election. They wanted to bring some change in Bengal. They think that they are not able to do that. They are definitely pissed off. Are they right to show their frustration? Mamta Banerjee has to understand that you anyway are living in a federal structure. There are many budgets, many funds which are in the hands of central government. They can afford, they can decide not to give you, and then you and your entire state will suffer. So now once you have won the election, for the next 5 years, do you think that you should be bowing down a little bit, at least for the next 3.5 years, or maybe 2.5 years, till the central elections are not there, and maybe then you can again rise and show all your ego. So should Mamta Banerjee be smart enough to play low for the next 2 years and become a good person in the eyes of Modi and BJP, so that you get more funds for your state government, so that you can do more development in your state, or you show your ego, you have a fight with central government. Central government is not going to lose anything, because they have lost already what they wanted. They have their member of parliaments. The state population doesn't even know the difference between the duties of a Lok Sabha MP and a MLA. So for them, if something is going wrong in the state, the blame would always be on the state government, and that's why they are sitting idle and comfortably, the central government, and they can actually do all the mischiefs in the next 2.5 years. And once the Lok Sabha election will come again some announcements will be made to get the votes for the. And anyway, in the current scenario also, they are very well on the path to again win 18-20 seats next time, the way they have performed this now. So who is the loser in the overall scheme of things? So again, I'm repeating, definitely the start of this particular episode trouble is the presence of Adhikari ji in that meeting, no doubt about that. So if somebody wants to know who is the culprit is surely central government in this entire episode. But my request or my encouragement or whatever I should use the word is that TMC should act smart now. Mamta Banerjee should act smart now, and if she has to take care of the population of Bengal, she has to put her ego aside, because ultimately the PM or the central government is the big boss. You have your own budgets, you have your own limitations, but unless until you have a proactive support of central government, which some other states might be enjoying, there would be the ultimate sufferer would be the Bengal population. So we all have to take care of that. That is what my thoughts are about this entire episode. Thank you.